Let's learn about the brain together. Do you know where in your body your brain is? Yeah, it's up here in your head. That's why you have such a thick skull, because your brain is there. Your skull is there to protect your brain. Your brain is like the control center for your whole body. Now, there are three parts of the brain we're going to learn about. If you were here last year, you might want to pause me and see if you can remember the names of those three parts. So let's start with this one. This is the blue one here in the front. It's called the prefrontal cortex. Let's say it together. Prefrontal cortex. And in our class, we call it the wise owl or the wise leader. This is the part of your brain that helps you with learning and solving problems and making decisions. Okay, so learning, solving problems, making decisions, thinking about things. That's your prefrontal cortex or wise leader. And that's in the front of your brain. So on your brain power worksheet, I would like for you to color your prefrontal cortex up here and draw a picture of the wise owl leader. Okay, so you're going to draw an owl in this box and color in your prefrontal cortex here. Okay, so pause me. I'll leave this up for you to see. Go ahead and complete that. Okay, are you back? Great. Let's talk about another section of your brain. This is the hippocampus. See this green part here? That's the hippocampus. Now, the hippocampus helps out with some learning, and it's also the part of your brain that stores memories. Yeah, so that's where the things that you learn or experiences that you have are stored so that you can remember them. Now, in our class, we call that the scrapbook part of your brain or the memory saver. And a scrapbook is a book where you might put pictures and maybe some descriptions or words about experiences that you've had so you can go back and remember them. So this is the hippocampus. Let's say that together. Hippocampus. And we'll call it the scrapbook part of our brain, the memory saver. So on this paper, you're going to, and oh, remember this paper has two sides. So either you're drawing pictures and coloring, or you can choose this side where you would draw a picture, and write a sentence or words about what that part of the brain does. Okay, so you can choose either. So we'll color the hippocampus. You can see I colored it here. This part green. You can only see one of them here because this is a side view. And then over here, draw a memory book. So you can draw a book that has a picture in it to show that it's saving memories. Okay, scrapbook. Okay, so pause me and go ahead and do that. Okay, hi again. Let's talk about this part of your brain, these two little parts here that are pink. We call those the amygdala. Okay, the amygdala is the part of your brain that helps you it helps keep you safe. So your amygdala is filtering things that come into your brain and thinking, is it safe? Sure, this seems fine, and lets it go on to the wise owl. Or the amygdala says, oh, this seems dangerous. And the amygdala holds onto it to figure out what to do. And your body gets all ready to keep you safe when your amygdala senses danger. Okay, so you might start breathing fast. Your heart starts beating like as if you're ready to run in case you need to. Okay, so we call that the guard dog, keeping you safe. The amygdala, let's say that. Amygdala. Yeah, and that's going to be, you can see one of them on this. See that pink one I drew or colored right there. And then we do a guard dog, so it keeps you safe. It also helps you process emotions. So like big emotions will go through the amygdala too. That's your guard dog there. Okay, so those are the three parts of the brain that we're going to try and remember. I want you to finish up this poster and then keep it somewhere handy because we'll talk about these parts of the brain over and over again and we'll want to be able to remember them. So go ahead, finish this up and then put this in a safe spot. Okay, see you later.